Have you ever searched on Google? Is Olymp Trade legal in India? Or maybe you've seen YouTube videos claiming Olymp Trade is 100% legal, while others say it's completely illegal and banned. So, who's telling the truth? Can Indians actually use Olymp Trade? Will your bank account get blocked? Can the RBI take action against you? And why do people keep mentioning the RBI Alert List whenever Olymp Trade is discussed? In today's video, we're going to separate facts from myths. We'll explain everything in simple English so that even complete beginners can understand the reality. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what the RBI Alert List means, whether Olymp Trade appears on it, and what risks Indian users should know before depositing even a single rupee. Let's begin. Chapter 1. What is Olymp Trade? First, let's understand what Olymp Trade actually is. Olymp Trade is an online trading platform that offers access to various financial markets. Users can trade assets such as currency pairs, Forex, commodities like gold and silver, indices, stocks, cryptocurrencies. One of its most popular products is fixed time trading, where users predict whether the price of an asset will go up or down within a short period. For example, suppose you believe that the price of gold will rise in the next 5 minutes. You invest 10. If your prediction is correct, you receive a predetermined payout. If you're wrong, you lose your investment. This high-risk, short-duration style of trading often resembles speculation and is one of the main reasons regulators around the world closely examine platforms offering such products. Chapter 2. Is Olymp Trade legal in India? Now let's answer the biggest question. The simple answer is, there is no specific Indian law that officially declares Olymp Trade legal or illegal. That means there is no court judgment or government notification saying Olymp Trade is legal. And there is also no law saying Olymp Trade is banned in India. However, this does not mean the platform is officially approved. Many people confuse these two things. Not being officially banned is completely different from being officially regulated. This distinction is extremely important. Chapter 3. What does RBI actually regulate? To understand the issue, we need to know the role of the Reserve Bank of India. The RBI regulates banks' payment systems, foreign exchange transactions, certain financial activities related to India's financial system. If a company wants to provide regulated financial services in India, it generally needs the appropriate authorization from the relevant Indian regulator. For securities trading, that's usually SEBI. For banking, it's RBI. For insurance, it's RBI. Different regulators oversee different industries. So whenever a foreign trading platform starts offering services to Indian residents, people naturally ask, is it recognized by Indian regulators? Chapter 4. What is the RBI Alert List? Now let's talk about the RBI Alert List. This is where most of the confusion begins. The RBI periodically publishes an alert list containing names of entities that are not authorized to deal in foreign exchange under the Foreign Exchange Management Act, commonly known as FEMA. This list is meant to help the public identify entities that are not authorized to operate Forex trading services in India. But here's something many YouTube videos fail to explain. Being on the RBI Alert List does not automatically mean that every activity of that company is illegal. Instead, it means the entity is not authorized by the RBI to conduct certain Forex-related activities in India. That is an important legal distinction. Chapter 5. Is Olymp Trade on the RBI Alert List? Yes. Olymp Trade has appeared on the RBI's Alert List. This means the RBI has stated that the platform is not authorized to offer electronic Forex trading services in India under FEMA. Again, let's be very clear. This does not mean the RBI has declared every aspect of Olymp Trade illegal. It means the platform does not have RBI authorization for those regulated activities. Many people misunderstand this point and spread misleading information online. Always rely on official regulatory information rather than social media claims. Chapter 6. Can Indians still use Olymp Trade? Technically, some Indian users continue to access the platform. However, accessibility should never be confused with regulatory approval. Just because a website opens in your browser or accepts deposits does not mean it is regulated by Indian authorities. For example, many international websites are accessible from India, That alone does not mean they are licensed by Indian regulators. This is why users should be careful before assuming that availability equals legality. Chapter 7. What are the risks? Now let's discuss the practical risks. Suppose you deposit money. Everything works fine. You make profits. That's the ideal scenario. But what if something goes wrong? Imagine your withdrawal gets delayed. Your account is suspended. A dispute arises. Or customer support doesn't resolve your issue. If the platform isn't regulated by Indian authorities, resolving disputes may become much more difficult compared to using a regulated Indian financial institution. This is one of the biggest concerns experts often highlight. Another point is payment risk. Deposit methods and payment options can change over time depending on banking and regulatory developments. Users should always understand these risks before sending money. Chapter 8. Why do so many influencers recommend Olymp Trade? You may have noticed hundreds of YouTube videos promoting Olymp Trade. Why? In many cases, the creators earn affiliate commissions. That means they receive a payment whenever someone registers or deposits money using their referral link. Affiliate marketing itself is not wrong, but viewers should know that promotional content may not always discuss the risks. A balanced review should include both advantages and disadvantages. Never make financial decisions based solely on influencer recommendations. Always do your own research. Chapter 9. Should beginners start with Olymp Trade? If you're completely new to trading, the first thing you should learn is risk management, not quick profits. Financial markets involve uncertainty. No platform can guarantee consistent profits. If someone promises, earn Rs 5,000 every day, double your money, 100% winning strategy, those are major warning signs. Professional traders focus on education, discipline, and long-term risk management. They know losses are part of trading. Chapter 10. Safer alternatives. If you want to learn investing or trading, consider starting with platforms that operate under the appropriate Indian regulatory framework. For example, investing in stocks through regulated brokers, learning mutual fund investing, understanding ETFs, studying long-term investing strategies, practicing with demo accounts before risking real money. Building financial knowledge is usually far more valuable than chasing quick profits. Final verdict. So, is Olymp Trade legal in India? Olymp Trade is not officially licensed or authorized by the RBI for electronic Forex trading activities covered under FEMA, and it has appeared on the RBI Alert List for that reason. At the same time, there is no simple law that labels the platform as universally legal or illegal in every context. These are separate legal questions, and they are often confused online. If you're considering using any overseas trading platform, understand the regulatory position, read the terms carefully, and be aware of the financial risks before depositing money. Remember, every investment decision should be based on research, not hype. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We regularly publish honest reviews, financial education, trading guides, and scam awareness videos to help you make informed financial decisions. If you have any questions about Olymp Trade or other online trading platforms, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial, investment, or legal advice. Regulatory positions may change over time. Always verify the latest information from official sources such as the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, the Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, and other relevant authorities before making any financial decisions. Trading and investing involve risk, and you may lose some or all of your invested capital.